Cracking your neck might feel good, but did you know it could be dangerous? Every time you crack your neck, you're releasing gas from your joints. While this might relieve tension, it can also strain your neck muscles and joints. In extreme cases, this habit can even lead to serious conditions like cervical artery dissection, which can cause strokes. So before you twist and pop, think twice. What seems like a harmless habit might just have life-threatening consequences. Stay safe and consider alternatives for relief. For more health tips, subscribe and check out our channel.